Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So Diwali is nearby and we all need that glowing skin right now, but we all are not getting time from our online classes, assignments, exams, work from home, whatnot. Oh, we got no chill, we got no time to get out from our home and get it done. But trust me, more and more I feel like rather than going to a salon, I should go to my kitchen and get it done, because home remedies and the products which I have at my home those products are actually chemical free and they are very good and healthy for my skin. So I am going to do the same DIY hacks which I have been doing from last 3-4 years, and trust me, they actually gives you an glowing skin. Your skin is gonna look so flawless and you're gonna just look perfect, and you guys are gonna thank me later because I'm saving you so much of time. And if these DIYs doesn't give you a glowing skin, then I'll change my name, Shayad se. So let's just get into the video and I'll tell you what all we are going to do today without wasting more time. Let's just start. So firstly, I'm going to clean my face with the help of milk, and I'll add little bit honey in it. Why I'm taking milk as in cleanser? Because milk contains lactic acid, vitamins like A, E, K and C. Other than that, it also contains protein and it is very good for the facial skin to just clean. And I'll also add phew, it's so smooth, I'll also add honey in it because honey have the antibacterial property which helps it. Okay, I'll mix it by my finger because I have no issues. But if you want, you can also mix it by an spoon. So I'll just dip it and I'll take it and I'll apply it on my face very gently. Also, there is no need of washing your face before doing all this, like before cleaning, because after this anyhow you're going to clean your face and this is the process of cleaning only. So just clean your face like this. This honey smells so good. Oof, I like the smell of honey. I'm just going to do this for a few more minutes and then I'm going to keep it for 3-4 minutes and then I'll go and I'll wash. So and here are the after scrubbing result. This feels so good and I'm feeling so good and my skin is glowing so much. Also, coffee and lemon while you're scrubbing it helps to reduce your dark circles, and I can clearly see this. So the next step is none other than face mask, my favorite face mask. So in this I have put some haldi, thoda sa haldi, besan, like 1 spoon of besan and 1 or half spoon, like you can just see कि कितना thick चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से I have put in this curd, because besan and curd is one of the best mixture for all skin type, and also if you have oily skin then this helps in reducing your oil. So this is very good, and this mixture is one of that mixture which helps you getting the perfect and the instant glow. It's like you'll get such a glowing skin after this. This helps a lot. And a big thumbs up to this, because this is one of the best face masks I have discovered yet. Though if you know any face mask which is more good than this, then do let me know. Why not? I'm gonna apply it and keep on my face until it dries. Until then I'm gonna apply lip scrub, क्योंकि हम फेस की तो केयर कर लेंगे यार, हम अपने होठों के साथ भी तो कितना सब कुछ करते हैं, लाइक लिपस्टिक्स लगाना, लिप लाइनर लगाना, लिप बाम लगाना, हमेशा हमारे होठों पे कुछ ना कुछ तो लगा ही रहता है. सो why to ignore our lips? Like, this isn't fair. This feels so smooth and so nice कि तुम्हारा अपनी शक्ल पे से हाथ हटाने का ही मन नहीं करेगा. Also, I am gonna apply it everywhere so that the blackness which I am getting, that will go, because I am getting a lot of dark circles. So obviously I'm gonna share till next week and DIY hack for the blackheads. Yes, not for the blackheads, बल्कि dark circles के लिए. So yes, so now this is applied very nicely and we will go now for the lip scrub. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं हाथ धोकर आई. I'll just come back. Here am I. So I'll let it dry for 10 minutes or for 5 minutes, how many time it is going to take, how long it's going to take, I don't care. So now I have my lip scrub ready. So in this there is sugar, honey. Again, honey is very good moisturizing, and few drops of lemon. So okay, I'm gonna scrub it on my lips for next 5 to 10 minutes. Also this removes the blackness जो हमारे होठों के edge, जो हमारे होठों के side से आ जाती है. And why I am doing this scrub, why sugar, honey and lemon? Because it helps in, you know, removing the pigmentations which we get near to our lips. This is a real struggle. Also the sugar is going inside my mouth and I always ended up eating. You can say "Chhi Ritika," but we all do this thing somewhere, we all know this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna scrub this and I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna come back, because it's being very difficult for me as you can see on my face. So I'll see you with my after results, and stay till the end because I'm going to tell you a DIY toner. Yes. Also here am I with my after results. My skin is glowing so much. I feel so good and it's actually glowing. So yes, for the DIY toner, what we are gonna take is few drops of lemon with few drops of few drops of gulab gel. Just mix it, put a cotton pad inside it, take it out and apply it gently on all over your face. But trust me, right now I don't want to apply anything on my face, so I am not applying anything. But yes, if you want to apply and you are a toner person, then you can just go for that toner. But I am not a toner person. I always apply few moisturizer, like I use very light moisturizer which doesn't let my skin to get more oily, because I have such a oily skin. But after this face mask, you will see you will not get a oily skin for sure till a longer period of time. And my lips are feeling so good that I even don't need to apply lip balm on it, because they are so moisturized right now. Yes, so this also brings us into this video. But before ending this video, I would also like to tell you guys ki stay tuned for this month, November and December month, because this is festival month. November is entirely full of festivals. December is gonna be wedding month, so I am gonna share few more videos or lot more videos with you all. Okay, so we can ignore this. And before going or before closing, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do subscribe and let me know if you are trying these DIYs. I actually want to know, even you get this glowing skin and are you happy? And if you need more DIY hacks for the glowing skin or for the skin problems, then do let me know. I'll be posting more videos, as I have been trying them from last 3-4 years. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to turn black thumb blue. अब अगर तुम कलर सोच रहे हो ना, तुम उसमें लगे रहो, बट लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करके जाना.